Now guys, the new Audi A4 has a stylish, dynamic and modern appearance, which instantly guesses the family features of car from Ingolstadt. The front part of the body flaunts a new fails radiator grille, formidable head optics, and a muscular front bumper, complemented by a neat air intake and a pair of round fog lights. The interior of the updated Audi A4 meets a concise and a noble design. The quality of materials assembled and level of ergonomics are fully consistent with a premium car. At the same time, the car still outperforms the BMW 3 Series in themes, all this indicates, but loses to the new T-Class from Mercedes. The rear sofa is profiled for two passengers, but it's necessary a third person can also sit here. However, a high transmission tunnel will noticeably interfere with it. Among the available amenities are an adjustable backers, a folding central armrest, a separated block of air duct deflectors, seat heating, and cigarette lighters. In front of the drive is a stylish three-spoke multifunctional steering wheel and high informative dashboard, standard with a long drivers, and as an option with a 12.3-inch LCD display. The proprietary tricks remained in place, a long strip of air duct deflectors occupying about 17% of the entire width of the front dashboard. The wrestlet Audi A4 is based on the advanced MLB trolley made of high-strength steel, aluminum and composite materials. The front and rear suspensions have a 5-link design, so the car easily copes with almost any universalness in the roadway. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to put like.